Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you find the last video helpful, and today we're going to learn about HTML phrase tags. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. And to get notification when I upload a video, hit the bell button. Now let's start. What's an HTML phrase tag? The phrase tags have been designed for a specific purpose, so they are displayed in a similar way as other basic tags like bold, italic, etc. This point will take you through all the important phrase tags. So let's start seeing them one by one. First, let's see emphasized text. In emphasized text, anything that appears with an AM element is displayed as emphasized text. If you say an example here, this is emphasized text. It's emphasized there. It's a little bit the same with italic too. And now let's see other phrase tag, strong text. Anything that appears within a strong element is displayed as important text. This is strong text. It will make the text stronger and it will bold it. As you see, it's here an important text. Okay, now let's go to text abbreviation. You can abbreviate the text by putting it inside a BBR tag. If present, the title attribute must contain this full description and nothing else. If you see here, let's say I love BBR. The title, let's say, okay, computer science. And this abbreviation is CS, right? Yeah. If you see here, there is dot under the abbreviated word. So when we hover over the abbreviated word, we will see the full text. It says computer science. You see? Okay, now let's see HTML comments. Comment is a piece of code which is ignored by any web browser. It is a good practice to add comments into your HTML code, especially in complex documents, to indicate sections of a document and any other notes to anyone looking at the code. Comments help you and others understand your code and increases code readability. HTML comments are placed between these tags. So any content placed within this tag will be treated as comment and will be completely ignored by the browser. Okay, let's see an example here. This is a paragraph. As you see, nothing with inside this tag is not displayed. And this is all for today. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.